उसमें से एक श्रद्धा जोशुआ हमारे साथ मौजूद है और इनके चेहरे से खुशी आपको देखने को मिल रही होगी। ये अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे। श्रद्धा बताइए, ये कॉन्टेस्ट जो हुआ उसमें आप फर्स्ट आई हैं, किसको शेयर देना चाहेंगे, कैसा लग रहा है, और दो शब्द हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी कहिए और ऑडियंस को भी।
Participate in this competition, and I would also like to thank our respected principal ma'am and our college that they have given us this opportunity that we have participated in this competition. This, my experience was very it was excellent experience. It was very interactive. The questions that were asked are very basic as well as related to the scenario based, the hospital scenario based question, and whatever we are experiencing in a hospital, how a nurse can react to that particular situation. So the session was very nice, and the question that were asked, if someone is not giving the answer, the host was explaining the answer to the audience so that we can get the answer. So overall, I am very thankful for all the things that you have given me this opportunity.